Alright, it's month 1. Testing out our invention with zip line. That was the name of it. And then this thingy, runner, whatever it's called, wire, attached to I want to get on this, throw the ball that way, and see if he can pull us. We're going to track this month by month to see how strong he gets. And if he can pull me. Okay. Alright. Whiskey, ball. Go get it. He is uninterested. He's already fallen for this trick too many times. See you at Mosu.